Hi everyone, this is Cindy with Creating the Heart. I'm so glad that you guys can join me today. Today I'm doing just a project share, Valentine's Day project share, and just some more ideas on how to use up your dollar spot Valentine's, goodies. So I have been using the hearts and actually picked up a couple more of them because I really do love them. And so I did find another one of these and another one of these. So when I picked them up, because they're only $1, and these are what I used to make, I have the videos up already, but I made these cute wands, my daughter's dance team. And I saw on, I think it's Crafty Cakes, so I will post a link to her video. She has another project in there I just didn't have time to do tonight, but I might work on it tomorrow if I have some time. But she used, I think she used the dollar spot hearts, but she did a project very similar to this. And so what I did was I took 2 of the dollar spot foam hearts. I took the silver glitter one, or the red glitter one, and just a plain red one, and I used hot glue to glue both sides, and then I attached them, and it made a cute little pocket. So I happen to have some red rose trim, just this much trim, literally, and I went ahead and hot glued that on the front and threw in some tissue paper and then just glued on the back. I haven't peeled off all of the little stickies yet because it's still not quite set yet. A ribbon, and so you've got this sort of hanging little pouch to put a little gift in, and I think it is super cute. What a great idea to use that, and voila, you've got a cute little gift. You could throw candies in there or a gift card, um, or a little card in there, and I just think it's just a super sweet little project. So another way to use your dollar spot goodies is I found, and I haven't seen them since the first day I was there, these really cute little felt heart stickers. And so it came in a pack of 12. So Lily has 13 girls on her dance team, so she doesn't need one for her. So 12 is perfect. So I just happened to have these little candy bags. I think I must have bought them for another project, and I don't know, I have a ton of them. So I went ahead and 4 of these little Dove caramel hearts fit in there, and then all I did was place a sticker on top of there, and then I just cut a piece of scrap paper and stapled to the top, just says Love Lily on there, and it just is super, super cute. And just really, really easy way to package up Valentine's Day treats, because I had to spend $2,000 on my dog when I had to take him to the emergency room. I have been, having to be a little bit more economical with how I spend my money. So this year I was a little bit economical with my Valentines. I made Valentines for all my children's different events. So this one's for dance. I did this, and I get the little wand. And then you can see my other videos I posted, and I should at some point put the link down below of my playlist for my Valentine's Day projects. But I did just a simple little envelope pouch for my son with gummy bears, and then I just did a cute little fold up kind of Valentine's using scrap for my daughter with some chocolate. And so all I had to do was buy the candy because everything I already had. So this is really, really cute. I just love these stickers, and I wish that I had bought another pack of them because this is such a cute idea. And the stickers were $1. So that was the only thing I had really to buy, plus the candy. So hopefully I'll give you some ideas, last minute ideas, if you're having to package up any little Valentine's Day treats. Anyway, thank you for watching. This is Cindy with Creating with the Heart.